How to get ads on your Twitch stream. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can enable and manage ads on your Twitch stream across desktop, iOS and Android platforms. So this guide covers eligibility requirements, ads types, scheduling, and best practices to optimize your ad revenue while maintaining viewer engagement. So let's get started. So the first step is becoming a Twitch affiliate or partner. So Twitch only allows advertisements on channels that are part of the affiliate or partner programs. To qualify for Twitch affiliate, you need to meet the following requirements within the past 30 days. Gain at least 50 followers, stream for a minimum of 8 hours, broadcast on 7 different days, maintain an average of 3 viewers. Once you fulfill these criteria, Twitch will send you an invitation to join their affiliate program. Step 2 is activating ads in your creator dashboards. So after joining the program, it's time to activate ads. So you're going to head over to simply, go to dashboard.twitch.tv and then you're going to head over to your settings and then you're going to go to affiliate. And from there, you're going to select partner if applicable, locate the ads manager section. And from there, you can turn on ads, set an ad schedule, and configure pre-roll settings to control when ads appear on your stream. So step 3 is using the Ads Manager tool. So the Ads Manager is Twitch's built-in system for handling ad breaks. With it, you can set up automatic ad intervals, receive chat reminders to run ads manually, customize the length and frequency of each ad break. This helps you keep control over how ads run without disrupting your audience experience too much. You also have the option to manually trigger ad breaks during your stream whenever you think it's the right time. So, like during a break or in between matches. So, finally, keep an eye on your earnings by checking the ad revenue section in your dashboard. This gives you insights as well as into how much you're making from your ad placements over time. And that's it. That's how you set up and manage ads on your Twitch stream. So, if you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.